Hello everyone. We are here again with another important SDK use case video. Hope you would enjoy and learn to build your own NFT Drop Dapp Marketplace or any other NFT dApps using open source Express SDK. If you haven't seen or go through our previous other use cases videos, please go through it. Check the links in the description. So let's move forward with building our NFT Drop Dapp at zero development cost. So using Express Protocol SDK, any NFT any NFT maker or celebrity can mint and transfer their NFT directly on Ethereum. In simple words, celebs and NFT creators can mint their own NFTs and can drop the NFTs whenever they want. These NFTs can later be traded using Express Protocol SDK. So you need to connect your wallet. So make sure you have MetaMask wallet installed in your PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's get started with the building of the dApp. So some of the prerequisites are Node.js version should be more than 16 and NPM version should be more than 6. So MetaMask browser extension should be installed and parcel bundler also should be installed. So the first step is to create an empty folder and open it in your favorite reader. We are using VS Code here, VS Code right now. We have created an folder. So after that, the next step is we are going to install all the required dependencies which are given in the doc here. So we need to enter these all codes in the terminal in VS Code here like this. Inside this, I've already I've already used these all codes and installed the dependencies already, because it will take a lot of time for now to show in a video. So after that, here we will make an index.html file and paste the following code which is given in the document here. So we'll make index. Yes. So we have made two sections here, as you can see in the image that we have provided. So we have made two sections here. The first section is to create NFT in which any user can mint the NFT by giving token URI as an argument. The second section is for creating an NFT drop or transfer. So where the owner can transfer the NFT in the marketplace using token ID and the receiver's address. So after this, after the front end ready, so we need to make a folder called main.js file in our VS Code and paste the following code in the doc, given in the doc. So here we are importing the SDK at the starting stage. We are importing the SDK in our dApp and making connection with the blockchain using MetaMask. Now we are pasting we have pasted all this code. So the next step that we have done here is to expose this mint functionality, which will help us to mint our NFT. And then the third thing that we did is after minting the NFT, owner or creator can drop or transfer their NFT using transfer NFT function that we have mentioned over here. So after setting up the whole main.js file and defining all the required functions for our NFT Drop Dapp, we need to get all the parameters from the front end. So for getting all the parameters, we need to write some JavaScript logic, JavaScript DOM. So by pasting this code that we have already pasted here, so by pasting this code, we can connect the front end from to the JavaScript logic. So after defining all the functions, here we came to an end with the building part. So now we need to run the following code, which is given in the documentation, which is parcel index.html, which will help us to run the whole thing in our localhost. So open terminal and so after entering this code, it will start a localhost. As you can see, it's building the project. So it has been built. So you can follow this link and see how exactly the DApp will look like. That's it. Congratulations, you have created your own NFT Drop Dapp within minutes. As well as you can mint using this mint function and transfer your NFT by giving token ID which has been generated when you have minted. So if you want to use this functionalities and numerous others like collection, timed out bidding, etc. today in your app, check out our Express SDK section where you can get plug and play components for the front end. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. Thank you.